How to merge disk partitions on Windows. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to see how you can easily merge disk partitions on Windows. So the first thing you want to do here is simply open up this PC, and here you'll find different disk partitions. What you basically have to do is go ahead and open it up, go to this PC, and as you can see, I've gotten 3 different partitions. Let's say if I want to combine these two, I have nothing on this drive over here. Now let's say if I want to combine these 4 gigabytes over to this drive, what you need to do first is go ahead and press Windows plus R, and then simply search for diskmgmt.msc. It's going to open up your disk management software. Now you can maximize this. So here you can see I have 100 MB of healthy EFI system partition. I'm not going to touch this. I'm not even going to touch my C drive where all of my system files are located. So what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to delete this new simple volume, and then I'm going to merge it with this one. In order to do that, you first need to make sure that this is empty, or if there are any files, you want to move it to a different location or back them up. So I can just right click on it, and then I can just click on delete volume and click on OK, because you need to make sure that deleting this will erase all data on it. You can back up any data you want to keep before deleting. I'll just delete it since it's empty. Now you'll see something called unallocated memory. Once you have unallocated memory right besides this drive, I can just right click on it, and then I can just extend the volume, and I can just merge these two. So before this, I was not able to do this because it had its own volume. Now I've deleted it. I'm able to extend volume here. Click on next, click on next again. You don't have to do anything. Everything over there is gonna be merged with this one. And it's as easy as that. Now if I head over to this PC over here, I'm only gonna be able to see 2 drives. The last one has merged it with this new volume D. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Be sure to hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks for watching.